Hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. Great time to be alive, guys, and get ready for this. Watch out for this. We're gonna be talking about what this is. So we're gonna be talking about that and much more. And out there, I know a lot of you are disappointed in what's happening with the price action for cryptocurrency, guys. But remember, a retest, things going down, down, are very normal, are very normal. And a retest is healthy. So we're going to be talking about why is this healthy, what I see happening, and could we be seeing all-time high coming in. So I'm still pretty confident that's going to happen. So I'm pretty confident about things unfolding before our very eyes. Sure, we're going to have some choppity chop. We're going to have some downside. We're going to have some upside. We're going to have some volatility. But overall, we can see that for Dogecoin and for Bitcoin, we can see that, prices are definitely baked in. And we could be seeing all-time highs, a new top coming in 2023. So if that sounds interesting, get ready to go down the crypto rabbit hole together, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So let's get it right now. Woo! Guys, so what's going on? What is actually going on? What's going on is you need to go back and watch all of my videos. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Just an OG in the house expressing my opinion out there, guys. So go back and watch all my other videos. I think this video here is a really good explainer of what is going on with crypto, what is going on with Dogecoin, what you can be expecting, and what you should be doing. This is an excellent video about a strategy that you need to take to secure your crypto, secure your Dogecoin, and secure life-changing wealth. So go back and watch that. What's next for Dogecoin? 10 cents, guys. And I'm still pretty convinced that 10 cents is definitely doable out there. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what you're thinking. So let's take a look at what's going on with the overall crypto markets, guys. So right now we can see that the crypto markets are up, guys. Everything is green. So, Annabelle has been banished again. We're at 27,701. We're seeing things slightly coming up from our lows, and this is pretty good. We're still seeing that for Bitcoin. We still have very good support around about 27.5. So that is pretty good. And we didn't go down. That's normal. We are now coming back up again, and that is good news out there. So overall, we can see that the crypto markets are up right now, 1.39%. Not too bad. We're at 1.17 trillion. I'd like to see us up at 2 trillion. So we still got a ways to go, but I am still convinced you need to watch out for this. I'm going to be telling you what we could be seeing in terms of all-time highs, next bull run, and where we could be seeing Dogecoin and Bitcoin going this year, guys. So let's buckle up out there. We're seeing Dogecoin, Bitcoin is up 1%, not too shabby, but we're still seeing that, most of crypto is down over the week. Out there. So, but guys, take a look. Let's just take a look at this. Let's jump into this. Let's absolutely jump into this before we go any further. Guys, look, we've had January was up, February is up, March is up. So far, April's only down 2.78%. I don't know why you're whinging. I don't know why you're whining. It's not that bad. It's looking pretty good, and we can see the trend of Bitcoin is going up, guys. Absolutely going up. And so I'm not too worried. And if you can see, if we take a look at the quarterly here, the total return for 2023, we're still up over 68%. So not too bad. Obviously not too bad. But we're seeing that on the weekly, a lot of downside. BNB is almost neutral. It's up almost 3%. We're seeing that Cardano right now is up 2%. It's down 13%. Out there, so not too bad. We're seeing that Doge out there is down almost 10%. Well, 10%, the OG negative effect out there. And we are at 116. And we're going to be talking about some resistance levels that Dogecoin needs to get past and some support levels that we're seeing right now. So we're going to be talking about that. Take a look at what's going on with Solana, Matic. Everything is up, but we can see that nothing except Tron, how Justin out there, is basically down for the week. So we're seeing that this whole week has been a pretty much poo-poo-schmata week. But overall, we're seeing that things are coming back. So things are coming back. Things are being a little bit more resilient out there. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index out there. We can see right now that the fear and greed, let me give this a minute to refresh. Let's update it, guys. We're seeing that the fear and greed is at 56. Yesterday, we're at 53. So it's coming back, but we are seeing more whales picking up Dogecoin, more whales picking up Bitcoin. And remember, as I told you in my previous video here, I told you exactly what you need to be doing, exactly what you're need to be doing. And this is a huge mistake if you don't do this, guys. Not financial advice, but that is what you need to do, guys. A lovely, jubbly time, guys, out there. So we're still in the greed zone. Yesterday we were in neutral, so people are getting a little bit happier now that things are going up. So that is not too bad out there. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on with the DXY out there. So the DXY is going down, still above 100, which is bad news, bears. We need to be around about 99 cents or lower, and that's definitely going to be helping the crypto markets, guys. As the S&P 500 or the S&P 500 right now, it's about 41.33. It's kind of usual, but it's above the EMA ribbons on the daily, so that is good. And guys, don't forget, if you got your crypto on a centralized exchange, get it off there. Get a NANO Leger, guys. Secure your crypto, secure your life, secure your sleep, and be happy in the knowledge that if you own the keys, you own the crypto, guys. So go down there, check out my link, guys. I appreciate that. So Ethereum right now, as you can see, let me just turn on the ribbons for you. The EMA ribbons, where are the EMA ribbons out there? Let's turn on the EMA ribbons. So if we take a look at the EMA ribbons, we can see that this is very bearish for Ethereum on the daily. We have gone all the way down into our EMA ribbons. That is not good. We've gone past our 20 or 25, 30, 35, 40, and 50-day EMA ribbon out there. We're still above the 50 and 55-day on our EMA ribbon, so that is good. But overall, this is a inverse bull flag, okay? Inverse bull flag. So this is a very bearish structure out there. So based on this, we could be breaking down all the way down to 1667. So that's worst case scenario for Ethereum right now because of this structure. So time will tell. If Bitcoin turns around and the market start to pump, then we'll see that Ethereum will go up. Let's take a look at what's going on with your friend, Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin has been trending down. It's been trending down since Wednesday out there. And right now, if we take a look at the overall trend, we've dropped around about just over 9%. So that is not good. I mean, that does not constitute a crash. That just constitutes a bit of a retest out there. So what am I seeing? If I look at this structure right now, I'm seeing that we have some really good support at 26,610. This area here, where we are right now is 27,561. We need to regain the 27,816 support level for Bitcoin. If we can continue that, then that will, in the short term, not the long term, will basically push Bitcoin price up. If we can't regain this territory, and right now we can see that the bulls and the bears are fighting it out here, then we will see a drop down from where we are now. We'll see about $1,000 drop to around about 26,600-ish will be the next support level for Bitcoin. So we'll have to wait and see what happens over this weekend to see if we're going to have a pump weekend or a dump weekend. So remember, volumes are pretty light out there. But, from my perspective, even though things are a little bit bearish right now, and Titan of Crypto also concurs, Bitcoin failed bearish patterns. In early stages of the bull market throughout their duration, how many times did BTC print a bearish pattern? The result in bullish price action afterwards. So we're seeing that, every time we have these pumps, we have a bit of a fake out, a bit of a retest, a bearish pattern, and then all of a sudden we have a pump the upside. So we're seeing this time and time again. 2013, 2015, we saw this again, bearish pattern. People like, oh no, it's over. The Debbie Downer bears, all the FUD starts to come up, and a lot of this could be manipulation, artificial, by some of the whales that want to drive down Bitcoin prices because they want to load up, guys. So remember, that does happen. And we're seeing it here. We saw in 2019, we saw it here, and now we're seeing it again, guys. So based on the history of the Bitcoin fractal, this is just a transitory thing that's going to happen. This bearish pattern will end, and we will continue, and we will see Bitcoin to continue going up. So that is pretty good. And if you take a look at what's happening with the relative long short-term hollow supply, we can see that in 180 SMA moving average showed that two waves uptrend in Bitcoin. 2014, we had this two-wave uptrend here, right? We saw that. A bit of a retest. That's what we're seeing right now, a bit of a retest. And then we had a swing high. And we're seeing that swing high here. And when it reached the top pink dot right here, then what happens? It started a bull run. So we're expecting the same on-chain metrics condition. So I'm expecting exactly the same thing. We are seeing a little bit of a downtrend now, which is normal. We're going to retest that, and we're going to see things going higher, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic. This is from Trader Tardigrade again, and we can see that Bitcoin has entered the fifth bull market, ranging from 20 to 200,000. Okay, so right now we can see that we've had all these waves: wave 1, 2, wave 3, wave 4. This is the downside correction during a confirmed bull market. And right now we're seeing that I believe we're in a bull run. You know, what we're seeing right now is a bit of a retest. I'm not panicking. And, you know, this bull run is anywhere, and this is the fifth one, is anywhere from 20 to 200K. So right now we're sitting pretty right now at 27.5. So we're at 27.5 out there. Not too shabby. Guys, keep watching. We got some Dogecoin news. And you can see that Bitcoin price is a program. Right here, we can see that we had this top. It was 69,000. They missed it by 1K. The other prior top was 19K. They missed it by about 2K out there. But you know, we're seeing that the pre-programmed top for the next cycle is 300K. So it comes in at 250. So it comes in at 225. But you can see here, this is pre-programmed, and Bitcoin will achieve all-time highs in just a matter of time. Now, the question is how fast? Will we see an all-time high in 2023, or will we have to wait till the next halving? And as you guys can see, the next halving is only days away. It's only days away. It's about 349 days away, and we're targeting April 6, 2024 for the next halving, guys. So I'm not too worried about it. You guys should not be worried about it. I think that we are still in a bull run. Yes, we're retesting the downside. Yes, since Wednesday, Bitcoin has gone down almost 9.5% out there. I'm not too worried. This is pretty normal. This is basically part and parcel of life. So I thought this was interesting. This is from Michelle. Looks like Gen Z. If you have any desire to purchase a home one day, you must start saving in Bitcoin. Real estate becomes perpetually more expensive when saving in dollars, and perpetually cheaper when saving in Bitcoin. So you can see, because of the inflationary nature of the dollar, you can see that if you were to buy a home using dollars in the United States, you would have to have more dollars to buy that home compared to Bitcoin. So you can see that the amount of Bitcoin that you need to buy the same home is less. So over time, if you invest in Bitcoin, not financial advice, and you plan to buy a home, it is better to hold your assets in Bitcoin and then convert to dollars when it's time to buy that home, because it's going to cost you less over in the long term, guys and gals. So this is from CryptoCon, and what CryptoCon is saying is that Bitcoin is taking a much needed pullback after a month of rally with no correction. And we can see here, guys, we had months on months of rallies. And, we had 3 months of a rally. It is very normal. It is very normal out there for Bitcoin to have a pullback. So we're seeing in the past, we had this, we had a 13% drop, pullback, we had 11% drop, pullback, and a correction. And we're seeing here, we're having a 13% drop here. This is when we went down to 19.5 because of the Silicon Valley. And soon after that, we had a nice pump to the upside. We're seeing about a 12.62% drop. Now, pretty normal out there. I'm not panicking. You should not be panicking. It's a great time to be alive. Looks like stock money lives. After any pullback comes the rally. Soon. So we take a look at the 2019 fractal. Right there, we have pullback, and then we had a rally. And we're seeing a pullback right now, and we could be seeing a rally coming back up. And this next rally could be taking us to $38,000 to $40,000, guys. So it's just a matter of time. I'm going to be loading up a more Bitcoin. And this is from Trader Tardigrade. He's saying the same thing. The fourth largest bull run in history begins. And it's beginning, guys. I believe it's confirmed. We're in a bull run, guys. This retest is healthy, and this is going to allow Bitcoin to prime and get ready for the next pump to the upside. Do not panic out there, guys and gals. It's a great time to be alive. And you can see what is different about this whole Bitcoin epoch is that the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is the lowest it's ever been in history. We're down minus 3.85%. In previous cycles, we saw, it was always in the positive. And remember, as more and more Bitcoin is scarce and hard to find on exchanges, it means that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up and up. And the $1 million Bitcoin is just a matter of time out there. So, guys, don't forget, if you want to be part of the conversation, what you can do is Join our Discord. Get it. It's a great time to be live. What else is coming in? Looks like top 20 Dogecoin whale gobbles up another $12 million in Doge. So we're seeing that the whales are starting to gobble up more and more Doge. So we saw that just recently we saw a whale pick up another $12 million worth of Dogecoin and only a fee of 42 cents, guys. So amazing. So, the whales are picking up Dogecoin. So do what the whales are doing. Do not do the opposite. The whales saw an opportunity because we had a dip in the Bitcoin price, the Dogecoin price, and they saw that as an opportunity. I see Dogecoin as a huge freaking opportunity to make some quickety-quick buckety-buck out there, guys. So I'm picking up some more Doge. Also, too, we're seeing right now Dogecoin price analysis. Doge develops a bearish pressure at 0.925 after its downtrend. So we're seeing that Doge is facing resistance at 0.8411, and we've got some support around about 0.775. So if we take a look at that right now, we can see that Dogecoin, for the most part, let me get my face out of the way. I'm hiding my face. So you can see right here that we have the 0.74 level, which is acting as support right now. And I'm not too worried. I'm really not too worried about Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin will continue to do its thing. I wouldn't panic. And right now, for the actual price of Dogecoin, we're seeing that Dogecoin is at 0.796, and we got the 0.74 level. So this is a support level. But what is interesting is you can see that on the daily right now, Dogecoin has broken down past all of our EMA ribbons. It is starting a bear flag scenario out there. So, worst case scenario for Dogecoin, if this level, if the 0.74 level does not hold, then our next stop is around about 0.71. But I think it's going to hold. And I think that we're going to see a nice recovery pretty soon once Bitcoin starts to make a move. And we're starting to see Bitcoin make a move, guys. So I wouldn't be panicking too much. Let's take a look at the tokenomics for Dogecoin right now. So right now we are seeing Doge is up right now. We're seeing the volumes are down 51.61%, about $400 million. Pretty usual, guys. And don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. We're seeing the market cap is at $11 billion out there. It's not too shabby. Who's in the money? Who's out of the money for the Dogecoin? Dogecoin 111. Let's get it. We're seeing right now that around 55% are in the money, 40% out. Not too shabby. And we can see that the majority of the holders have been holding Dogecoin for more than a year. So that's not too bad, guys. Absolutely not too bad out there. What else is coming in? We can see, Doge doing only good every day, guys. Do only good every day. And Dogecoin to the freaking moon, says Elon Musk, and we're going to get there. So just a matter of time. Chitty, chai. Let's have a quick drop in to the Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu, it's got some support around about 1000 out there. We did bounce up from support. We're at the low end of this channel right here, and it's looking pretty bearish out there for Shiba Inu. Nothing really much is happening. I expect some sideways choppy to chop. Expect the whole crypto market to be doing pretty much a crabby walk out there, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm saying out there. Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter, guys. Go back and follow the OG. We got about 7,500 followers out there. Let's get it up, guys. Let's absolutely get it up, guys. Don't forget to get the merch. Gear up into OG gear. I appreciate it, guys. Much love out there. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Be well. Be blessed. I'll see you tonight, 8:30 Bangkok time. Peace out.